Mr. Rodcon, good afternoon, classmates. I'm the reporter number 4. Mrs. Santos is a public school teacher in Manila, earning 30,000 per month. She works 21 days with 5 hours of overtime. And receive about 1,000 clothing allowance na taxable. So yung given po natin, 33,000 which is yung monthly salary niya po. Then, wala po sinabi kung ilang oras siya nagtrabaho. So, assume na lang po natin na 8 hours po siya nagtrabaho sa isang araw. So, calculate natin po yung daily rate. 33,000 pesos divided by 21 days is equal to 1,521.43. Then, pag sa hourly rate naman po, 1,571.43 divided by 8 hours is equal to 196.43. So, yung hourly rate niya po is 196.43. And yung daily rate, 1,571.43 pesos. Computer SSS will help pag-ibig contribution. Yung SS niya po is 5% and divide po natin sa 100 kaya again po 0.05. So 0.05 times 33,000 is equal to 1,650 pesos. Yung period naman po is with 2.5% divided by 100 is equal to 0.025 times 30,000 is equal to 825 pesos. Yung pag-ibig na naman po is 2%. So 0.02% times 30,000 is equal to 660. Pero yung maximum lang po ng pag-ibig is 200. So 200 lang po yung tax niya. Kaya 1,650 plus 825 plus 200 is equal to 2,665 pesos. 2,665 pesos. Then yung overtime niya, nag-overtime siya ng 5 hours sa isang araw. Then yung hourly rate niya po is 196.43. Kaya 196.43 times 1.25 which is yung rate niya po sa tax, I mean sa overtime na 1.25 kaya equal to 245.54. So 245.54 times 5 hours is equal to 1,227.69 pesos. And determine her gross pay and taxable income. Sa gross pay niyo po, yung format po ng gross pay, monthly pay plus yung overtime na, then yung allowance niya po. So 33,000 pesos plus 1,227.69 plus 1,000 allowance, so equal to 35,227.69 pesos yung kanyang gross pay. Kukunin lang po natin yung kanyang taxable income. Yung taxable income naman po, i-minus po natin yung mga tax niya, like yung pag-ibig, PhilHealth, tapos yung SSS po. So 35,227.69 minus 2 SSS which is 1,650 minus 825 yung PhilHealth na po. Then minus 200 yung pag-ibig niya, tapos minus 100 yung allowance niya. Is equal to 31,552.69 pesos. Kukuhin naman po natin holding tax, total deduction, and yung net pay niya. Yung withholding tax niya po, 31, yung taxable income niya, 31,552.69. Ma-minus ko natin sa 20,833, which is nasa bracket ko po. Then, so 31 minus 31,552.69 minus 3,833 is equal to 10,719.59. Tapos po natin sa 0.15 which is equal to 1,607.95. Ayan po yung holding tax niya, 1,607.95. Yung total deduction naman po, kukunin muna natin yung kanyang holding tax. Tapos ipaplasa po natin lahat ng tax niya. So 1,607.95 plus 1,650 yung SSS niya plus 825 pesos yung PhilHealth, then plus 200 yung kanyang pag-ibig is equal to 4,282.95. Ito lahat na po yung kanyang nakuwang tax. So yung gross pay niya po is 34,227.69 minus po sa kanyang total deduction which is 4,282.91 equal to 30,944.74.